Hi students, welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to discuss different types of network. So from the previous video, we have learned what is network. Network simply means computers which are connected by the help of wires or by the help of wireless media in order to share the resources or any information. So that is known as network. Then from the previous video we have learned different components of network such as sender, receiver and medium. So those things we have learned. Then today we will learn LAN and MAN. So there are different types of network such as local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, then personal area network, then finally campus area network. These types of networks you want to learn from this chapter. So today we will discuss LAN and MAN. So LAN simply means local area network. From the name we can understand what is LAN, local area. So a network in a local area is known as LAN. Local area means, suppose in a room there are 10 computers. So those 10 computers are connected by the help of any medium such as it may be wireless or wired. So using two medium we can interconnect 10 computers. So using any of the medium, if we have connected those 10 computers together in order to share the resources or information. So we can say that 10 computers, that group of 10 computers are a LAN. So local area network. If in your room, if you are connected, two computers are together, then also we can say that is a LAN. So LAN means a network in a small building or a small room or in a campus or in an office also. So a network in an office or in a building or a campus, that is known as local area network. So students, see, this is a gaming console and this is a printer and this one is laptop, then desktop, then cell phone. Cell phone means let it be a smartphone. Okay, these five devices are connected by the help of a switch. Switch is a device which you can connect all these systems together in order to share any media. That is the need of the device switch. So using this switch we have connected this gaming console, printer, laptop, desktop and smartphone together. Okay, so that is one LAN, that we can say it as one LAN. This system is in a single room. Okay, so this system is in a single room. Then this is room number 1. And see, this is one more set of network is there. Why it is known as network? See, using this switch is a device which has several ports. Using that ports we can connect all these devices together. So using this switch we have connecting printer, desktop, laptop, then smartphone and one more gaming console. Okay, so these devices resides in another room. Okay, so how these devices gets internet connectivity? See, from the network service provider we are getting the internet. That internet cable will connect to the home router or we are getting wirelessly. Suppose we are getting wirelessly. So from this router we are supplying the connectivity. We are supplying the internet to LAN 2 and LAN 1. Okay, so that is known as local area network. The group of computers or the network in a small room is known as local area network. I hope you could understand. So students, next topic is MAN or metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network simply means the network in a large geographical area, that is known as MAN. So from this you can understand the area which covers by LAN is smaller than the area which covers by MAN. MAN covers or metropolitan area covers larger area, but the LAN, local area network, covers only smaller area, maybe in a single room or in a single block. That is known as local area network. So from this figure you can understand. See, this is the building 1, building 2, this one is building 3, building 4 and building 5. So from a single network we are getting internet connectivity. That internet connectivity will be supplied to LAN, then this building is getting internet connectivity from this building 4. Okay. So what is the advantage is, if this LAN wants to share any files to the building 3, it is possible because it is connected. All these networks are connected in order to share the resources. If this building has a printer, okay, if this building has a printer and this building does not have, so from this building a computer can send file to this printer to take printout by the help of this network. That is the advantage. And this MAN covers a large area, so that even a city also. This MAN can cover even a city, so that is known as metropolitan area network. So students, I hope you could understand. Then we can discuss the remaining PAN, CAN and WAN in the next video. So thank you.